Alright, we're just going to do another bedroom fire alarm test real quick. So we're going to go look at all devices and do this test real quick. So today we only have the one pole station, the Edwards 270A SPO, single action. And up above we only have the single horn strobe. I will do a setup like that sometimes where there's just one pole station, one horn strobe. But this is a Mercom FHS 240, I think is what the model of that is. It is set to AMSICO sync, so it will be doing 2-wire audible silence. So, let's pull. And you can see the strobe flashing way up there. There we go. And reset. So that's going to be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. As always, be sure to check out my GroupMe and eBay. Thank you and have a great day once this is done resetting. Have a great night.